boy.
Man, you move on here.
Devauna Mum.
Mum, stop it. Devauna boy. I am hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. Get the food, get the crisp now. Whoop whoop, baby, get the crisp. Oh, whoop whoop, baby, get the crisp. Whoop whoop, baby, get the crisp. Oh, whoop, baby, get the crisp. You know, sometimes when you're just hungry and you just want crisp, nothing else. Devauna. What? Why y'all do that? Oh my goodness me, face look. What wrong now?
Mama, you for real?
What is the problem, Vana? Mom, what is the problem? You just sneeze all over me, all over my crisp. Yes, me sneeze pan you. I didn't even get a chance to have one. Whenever they tell you, it's good luck. Osh man, osh. A good luck me just give you. Alright? You should be thanking me. What do you mean, Mum? That's not good luck. That's just germs. All of this right now is just germs. No, it's not germs. That's not how it works. All right, that's not science. That's not even real. I can't believe it, man. Look at all of this so-called blessing. All of this sneeze is for you, and it's good luck. And it was passed on to me from generation to generation, and now I'm giving it down. You're taking the mick, man. If you're not going to have the crisp, maybe I will. No. If I can't have any of these because of you can't have any. All right, just go. All right, I'm going. Just go, Mum. Relax. Lord, please take her away. Oof. By the way, Ivana, you never even said bless you. But it's alright. You're welcome. You're welcome. Ivana, were you there? Not now. I'm downstairs, Mum. Here we go. More drama. Why you run like that? Slow down. Calm down. Mom, that one felt good. Once again, Vana. You're welcome. Wait a minute. Let me get this straight. You ran all the way from upstairs to downstairs just sneeze in my face. Again. That's right. I ran all the way downstairs from up there because I did feel a mega sneeze across. This, Mom. I wasted it up there, upstairs, when nobody is there, when I can just bless you. Come on, man. What kind of madness you keeping up with now? It's not even a blessing. You're welcome, Vana. No, I'm not gonna say thank you. I don't want this. What the heck? My eye's twitching. It's in my eye. You're welcome. It's in my eye, Mum. It's burning. Pure germs in my eye. This woman. Yes, I am very awesome. Such a lovely book. I just wish I know how to read it. No pictures. Oh, this is so terrible. Everybody knows I need a picture book. After the bin it goes up. Achoo! Oh, such a shame that one went to waste. If only Vanna was a Howdy, partner. Vanna, what are you doing? Where did you get that hat from? And who might you be?
You stepped into the wrong neighborhood. You ever heard of Ghostbusters?
Yes, we hear of them before.
Well, I'm the Sneeze Buster.
Oh, you're the Sneeze Buster. Okay, and should I be scared like a helpless princess that I am? Oh, no, wait, don't. Put your shirt up. Or,
Sorry, Mum, one second.
yes.
It's not how it's meant to go. If I just tuck that in there.
Vanna,
No. Right, if I get that.
hurry up.
Sorry, one second, Mum.
Get with the program.
I had this all planned out.
Come on, Vanna.
I meant to just go smooth and
This is getting so awkward.
there.
Oh, Vanna, you is so OTT.
Yeah, ready.
You both ready now? Okay, so what is this? What you're gonna do, Vanna? Draw! Yeah, that's right. How do you like it? How do you like it, Mum? Vanna, what do you think you are doing? Look on me. Why y'all spray me with sanitizer? Y'all try to christen me? Y'all try to baptize me in Dettol? No, but kiss me Granata Ferry. Hush, boy. Sit draw and pull out the thing and shoot me with the thing.
Because all I'm doing is cleansing this house of your so-called blessings.
It's not good, Vanna. That's not polite. All I was doing was giving you Stop it! See? There's more blessings that come your way. So stop spraying me.
Mum, that's not blessings. That's the fumes.
Fumes?
From the Dettol.
True. Something smell funky in the air.
Sneezy McSneezy. Not in my house.
Oh, the boy gone. Oh, I feel so weird now. Oh, yes. About time for a nice hot cuppa. Oh, nice hot cup of tea, huh? Hey. Huh? Don't you dare. Achoo! Hey!
Oh, sorry.
Little boy! What y'all trying to do? What are you? What y'all talk about? You know, I have 3 options for you, my youth. That's not 3, that's 4. Oh. Like this? Now that's 5. No. Go down. No, put one finger down. Like that. That's 4 again. No. That. Yeah. There, you got it. 3. Yes? Oh, okay. You may proceed. Yes, okay. Go. I have 3 options for you. 3 options. Are you crazy, foolish, or just outright bonkers? No, I'm not neither. Why are you trying to sneeze in my tea? I'm just trying to give you blessings. You should be thanking me. Remember? You better take your blessings, and go away. Take my blessings elsewhere. Just chill, relax. Go far away from here. I'm not going anywhere, Mum. I'm staying right here. Right here. You know what, my youth, may I have something for you. What, Mum? What could you possibly have for me now? Oh, sanitizer. You better go away, Doc, deuce. Go away, Vanna. I'm gonna go then, alright? Before me give you some lick spray shots. Alright, I'll leave you to it. Alright, bye-bye. Enjoy your tea. Mom, this is all your fault. I told you that was nothing but germs and you were gonna make us sick. I just wanted this to be a house full of blessings. But no, you sick, me sick. Oh, is this a sickness or a buy one get one free special? Oh, me can't take this no more, man. So much sickness I go around. Me feel like he's paying rent. Should we charge the sickness? Oh, Father man, Father boy. This is the one time I will say you was right. Just pass me the tissue, man. When you finish with that, just give me your tissue, man. Me will have that one in mind. When you finish with that, mommy head. You spin my head right round. When you sneeze down, down.
Sister,